So ceteris paribus, a very small concept, but at times people get confused with it. So just to jump directly to its definition, it's all okay. Yeah. So all other factors held constant. Held constant, assumed to be constant, stuff like that. So the idea is only one thing is changing at a time. The other factors that could affect what you're talking about are assumed to be constant or are held constant. If there's anyone who studied science at any point, they would know that when you're talking about a fair test, for example, you only change one variable, you hold everything else constant. That is very similar to the concept of ceteris paribus. So, for example, if the question asked you if what effect an increase in the price of a good would have, you would simply say the quantity demanded would decrease, right? You wouldn't be like, the quantity demanded can decrease, but who knows? The demand could shift, elasticity could change, war could happen, nuclear bomb could be dropped. No, the entire idea is that, that who knows or what if that doesn't happen. It's ceteris paribus. So if I say price increases of a particular product, such as paribus, you won't be like, what if the demand shifts as overall? No, that won't happen. You're going to assume that other factors, that could affect demand and stuff like that, they're all held to be constant. So you don't do what ifs then. You only look at the information that's given to you, because everything else is assumed to be constant. So then an increase in price such as paribus would only decrease your quantity demanded, right? You change one factor and you have its effect. You don't say, okay, this could happen, that could happen, and demand could shift, elasticity and stuff like that. So it is literally as simple as that.